All right, mistake number 3 I see all the time, and I'm always asking myself, is this interactive? So take a look at this slide here. What do you think is interactive and what do you think is not interactive? It's really hard to tell, right? So I see this box is go to next slide, this box is go to previous slide. I'm guessing those are both navigation buttons, okay? Maybe that will take me to where I want to go next. This is previous. But these things, can I click on these too? If I can click on these, I feel like I should be able to click on these as well because they have the same look and feel. So I see this a lot. So a good redesign, again, is to keep a consistent look and feel for your navigation. They are obviously used to be interactive to control whether you're going forward or backwards. And then what's not interactive has a different look. And now I still don't love this design because these things are in squares. When something's in a square, I feel like I'm going to be able to click on it in some way. But it's better than this, at least. There's a different look and feel for things that are interactive versus things that are not interactive. Something else I see in the is this interactive category. Again, I'm not sure here what is meant to be interactive. Again, we've got a next and back button here. Those are pretty clearly going to be interactive. This again has the same look. Can I click on that? What about these? Can I click on these? So this designer intended these dog facts to be clickable, and in Storyline or Captivate, you can make pretty much anything clickable, right? But it's just not super clear what's clickable here and what is not. So how I would redesign it is keep the next and back buttons very clear, consistent with the rest of your navigation, and then you can actually hide your fun facts and make these kind of obviously clickable markers instead. So if you click on those, the fact will appear. It's a more fun, interactive experience. It's less text heavy than what's on screen here. Much cleaner, much more understandable and usable design. You shouldn't have to tell the user where to click. That's always a really good rule of thumb. Clickable versus unclickable should look and feel different. And plain text pretty much never looks clickable, at least in a Storyline or Captivate tutorial, unless it's underlined. But if you are using underlined text, it's going to look like it's a hyperlink, and that's also going to be kind of a confusing experience for your users.